Hey, what's up YouTube? Today, how to remove the head on the 1.8 2.0 Audi engine or Volkswagen engine. First, to remove the timing cover, you don't have to remove the whole front. Or you need a 10mm socket. You're gonna detach the timing cover off. It's gonna be 3 bolts, and then the 2 on top, they're little star, which is a T20, T30. Those are the one you're gonna need for 2 on top, and the other ones are 10mm. You get the cover off, and that's how you can find out if the timing belt is broken or no. So on this one, the timing belt went off, so we're 100% sure that it has a valves bent, so it bent valves, so we have to remove the head. So there's no need to remove the whole front, and I will show you how to get it done. Right now we remove the coils. I'm removing the valve cover with the little star, which is Torx, the T30. So I'm removing the valve cover. I will remove the exhaust shield, the exhaust nuts, the air filter. I'm gonna get it done. Let's see, we're gonna remove the intake, and I'll show you step by step. So far the intake is off. I'm not gonna lie, to remove the intake is gonna be a bitch. I have to get all the torque 27, 25s, and 30s. It's only 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 bolts. 9 bolts. No, it's actually 7 bolts and 2 nuts, but they're long, like this long. These are the ones right here. Those are the ones that hold the intake. And then also the sensor right here, you're gonna have to remove the T30 or T25s, the little Torx, the little star ones. Gonna hold in here, 1, 2, 3. Just pull it out. The bracket, this little bracket, that holds right in the bottom of the intake manifold. That's all you need. Also disconnect this water tube from the back hose right here. It goes into a tube, disconnect it. You can pull it out and push it, maneuver anywhere you want to go. I'll pry the intake out. The injectors are gonna stay in, so don't trip. The only thing when you replace it, try to make sure you replace the gums from here. Those gums, those seals, those rubbers, those O-rings, and make sure you replace it for new ones and put them in here. And on the head, it has these little flaps. These ones right here, they goes right there. This is how this one goes, right there, right on the head. Just remember those bolts, pry out the intake, and the injectors are gonna stay on the head, so don't worry about it. And then for the head bolts, we're gonna do special. But I have it. On this one, I don't even know what type is this. It's like a little star looking. This is how it looks. For the head bolts, and it says M10. Those are the numbers it has. Well, I think the sizing is M10. That's the one for the head bolts. It has to be this long. And then you don't have to remove the cams. See how it has little grooves? The groove, put in between there, and then to the head bolt. And that's how it grabs. There you go. Stay tuned, because I'm about to remove that.